So now when we look at identifying whether or not a list of coordinate points or ordered pairs has a constant rate or slope, we can do something similar to when we had it as a table, to where we're just looking at the changes, okay? So here we go. So like the right-hand column on a table is over here. It's the y's, going from 0 to 1, that's up 1. Going from 1 to 3, that's an up 2, okay? So 1, 2, 3, or you can subtract. Okay, now looking at the x's, right, we're going from -4 to -3. Well, that's up 1, or right 1. And then -3 to -2, that's another right 1. So between these 2 points, it's a 1 over 1. Between these 2 points, it's a 2 over 1. So the rate or the slope changed in between those ones. Between the first two and the second two, they have a different rate or slope. So not a constant rate, therefore nonlinear. Let's look at the bottom group here. We're going from -4 to -8. Okay, so that's a down 4, -8 to -12, another down 4. Now let's look at the x's. We're going from 2 to 4, that's a right 2. And then a 4 to a 6, that's another right 2. So the rate or slope for this one would be -4 over 2. -4 over 2, well, it stays the same. -2 is your slope, and it stays the same. It's constant. Constant stays the same, synonyms in math, okay? So yeah, this one's going to be linear.